you go. All you do is just push that button right there.
Push the button right there.
All right, boys and girls, here's what we got. My dad's got
tight against your shoulder.
my dad's got his 12 gauge riot shotgun. He's gonna let Brian shoot this thing. It's got double lock buck in it. That's what happens when you shoot a 12 gauge. You've never shot one before, and you're 15 years old. That's what happens. It kind of puts a little surprise in your day there. Now, Brian definitely killed this thing. We had this thing held up by this stick here. This is a tobacco stick. For those of you who don't know what a tobacco stick is, well, that's what they put tobacco on when they cut it in the field. They stick it on a stick. And he shot that tobacco stick all to pieces. Yeah, Brian getting his butt whipped now.
I'll buy you a new one.
You buy me a new one?
Yeah, how much are they, 5 cents?
That's $5 a piece.
You can go up on the tree and take one down and carve it.
Hey, Grandpa, Dad, take that tobacco stick back and show him how we used to make boys behave in the old day.